I want to show you behind the scenes of the Successfully Growing Succulents course. So once you've purchased, we'll send you all the login information, but if you ever can't figure out where to go, just go to successfullygrowingsucculents.com and up here, click log in. And then it'll ask you for your information. Simply put it in there and then click log in. And then it may prompt you to create a My Teachable account. You don't have to do that. So just click no thanks, go back to school. Because that's where we all want to go, is to school. And then you'll see here any of the classes that you're registered for. So if you've bought the types of succulents cards from us in the past, that will show up here where you can access all the individual cards. But what I want to show you today is the Successfully Growing Succulents course. So you'll click here to view the course, and then all of the course curriculum is outlined here. So we have a little start video, and then all the different sections along with some bonus material that you might not have known about. So let's go into the buying succulents class. So right here, you'll have the video that you can watch, and then you can download the video if you want, save it to your computer. You can also download a PDF overview of basically it's like a text version of the video, and then some of the supplies that we use, and then everything that was in the bonus PDF is also included right here. So you'll just get a text overview of what is in the video, and then you can make comments on here as well. So if you have a question about the video or just want to leave a friendly note, that's great. You can do that right here. Over here, we also have the Identify Your Succulent section. So you can upload a photo, and I have some photos to go ID. So you can see here, I'll just respond back with the names of your succulents. Looks like there's a few in there for me to work on. And then there's choosing the perfect pot, soil for succulents. So each of these will have a video tutorial, again, along with that PDF download and the text version that you can look at here, and a place to leave a comment. So everything is all right there for you. The one other thing I want to point out is there's also a spot where you can upload photos for me to diagnose problems that you're having with a succulent. So I do cover this in the course. I talk about symptoms of watering problems, and then we also talk about some other problems that you might encounter in other sections as well. But in this part, you can upload photos, ask me questions about them, and I will respond back with generally within a couple, like my goal is to get it within 24 hours. But sometimes over the weekend, it takes me a little longer, or right now we've had a lot of new people joining, and so I'm a little bit behind, but you'll always get an answer if you're posting in here. So again, and then there's just some different, like some tips on maintaining a succulent arrangement, choosing the best succulent for you, tools and supplies, a bunch of different things in here. And then we also have some live Q&A replays as well. So there's a lot of time of videos in here. So don't feel like you have to go in and watch all of these, but if you want to just keep learning more, these are some Q&As that we've done in the past, just a couple years, and we wanted to add them here for all of our course members. So that is what it looks like inside the Successfully Growing Succulents course.